So we're here at Rodney's, and look, we just wanted to show you out in the light the edge work, how that hit. Look at that, how that just flows right over that face. Just beautiful. What do you think, Rodney?
I think you did a marvelous job on that.
Man, we all did. Look at that.
You can't ask for better. The river's beautiful.
So we just want y'all to see what we seen and keep it running time. It's a favorite part right here.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to see what this man has been working on for the last 8 years. Come on in here. Look at this. Spectacular. Spectacular place. Look at this beamwork up here. Ceilings, all of it. I'm going to set this down here, Rodney. So look, I'm going to borrow that, Tom. You're going to go out there with Rodney. Check that out. Give me the guided tour for a change. So listen, everybody tuning in, I just want you to know. Gatlinburg ain't got nothing on this man. Okay, this is why we wanted to show this off. This man has been working on this by hand, himself. 8 years in the making. Rodney, just stunning work, brother. Stunning work. Look at this. Look at this.
I was telling Tom, this is what I do with a pocket knife.
Look at that. Did that with a pocket knife.
That's a piece of trim. I was telling you about basic.
With a pocket knife. So what do I want to tune you into? Look, check this out over here. Look at all these just beautiful decorations. Man, what is that? Like a 12-foot tree?
31 feet.
31 feet. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
We decorate it for the seasons.
I'm amazed by this right here. I love that. Oh. I love that. Look at the detail in that. Look at this. That's every look at that. Just all the work and everything. So Rodney, correct me if I'm wrong, you made this right here.
No, I bought that.
Okay, bought that.
Yeah, I bought that.
That's
Miss Charlotte's pride and joy.
Oh, wow. So, look at this. Let me get back over here. Look at this. Beautiful staircase.
I did all the staircase in it. Handrails.
Just going up to the loft. It's got that all lit up. Look at this little guy right here. You got a name for him, Rodney?
Squirrely's only I can do.
Squirrely. So look, what I want to show you.
That staircase I was showing you about.
Yeah, this staircase is just beautiful.
See the walnut? You see that?
Yeah. Look at that. Those are some beautiful handrails.
Thank you.
Yeah. Love it. We've already been up here. So what I want to tune y'all into, check out this bed. Look how beautiful that is. It's scary to think how many hours you got tied up in this, Rodney. Scary to think how many hours you got tied up in this. Just phenomenal. We want everybody to see what we already seen. Old lantern. That's awesome. Just all the finishing touches. Let's take them downstairs. Let's show them this other one. I want to show them some of these hand engravings you got.
The squirrely does come off. See the top?
Look at that.
It's a cylinder.
Wow.
45 long coat.
Wow.
Yeah, he just stands guard for upstairs. This is my ammo box I take to the range.
Look at that. Now you did the designs in that.
Did all of it.
Yeah.
That's a potato box I made 40 years ago.
Like I said, over 30 years How many years you got, Roger? Woodworking?
At least, well, I started out in 1973. And then I started out in high school in 69, 70.
So you're closer to 40 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were married 49.
49.
And I started before we got married. So yeah, I got almost 50 years.
Almost 50 then. Yeah.
I did all the work here, fireplace. We did this 2 winters ago. She helped with me. This is slate.
Wow.
And this is a pallet. A beam out of a piece of pallet.
Beam out a piece of pallet. I love that right there.
Yeah, there was one day I was bored. I just sit down in the pocket knife and whittle it out.
Whittle down.
Just whittle it down. I'll show you my mood bathroom.
Oh, look at this.
This is the mood bathroom here.
He calls this the mood bathroom.
Yeah.
Look at that. I'm telling you what, man, people go to Gatlinburg.
Yeah.
They love to stay in something like this.
And it
This is
changes,
just beautiful.
It changes colors also.
I know where y'all must been. Look at that. Look at that.
See, it goes with the cutting board.
Oh, it doesn't it?
Yeah. Then
It
you
certainly goes with the cutting board.
Then you can go rainbow. See.
Wow. Absolutely stunning.
It just takes time.
Yeah.
And this is one of our next pieces that we're going to work on.
That's
It's
right.
a new vanity for in here.
That's right. So we're going to do what we're really thinking is we're going to do more of a slab look in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I know you had some different ideas as far as the faucet, the
Yeah.
sink, and all that stuff.
We'll
So
work
those
it out as we build, but I like to have
Yeah.
a barnwood theme on this. You know, how the barn doors has the X or the Z
Yeah.
one on the doors, storage space, and then we'll change the cabinets as I go. But
I can't say enough about your place, man. Let's
appreciate
tune them into that. You
that-
hand carved that
That's
one
a
too,
hand
huh?
carved out.
Look
pocket
at
knife,
that.
too.
Look at that. Almost 50 years woodworking.
Yeah.
You know, you ought to be teaching us all this stuff.
I'm still learning, buddy. I'm
Shoot.
still
Larry, I
learning.
tell you, we learn every day.
Still
Every day.
learning.
It's probably one of my favorite rooms right here. Probably one of my favorite rooms.
And you can just
Look at
pull this
that.
back to get the.
So Tom, zoom them in on this. Check that out. Look at the design up here with the deer head. Look at that.
And you can do the foot down there too.
Oh yeah. Look at this guy.
Then Tom, you can climb the
Look at
steps
that.
behind the Z28 Camaro and get the girls.
Look at that. I tell you, can't say enough
You can
about your
climb up there,
place.
it won't fall apart. I guarantee you.
Yeah.
Look at this rebar.
So we got you tuned in. You know, we wanted to give you the run through again. Tom, tune them into that beam just one more time. That sucker, that's my favorite part, I think. Man, that's just, no doubt, the skill involved in everything. Just the amount of time you've got wrapped into this special place of yours. You know, the amount of years, almost 8 years he's been working on this. So the main reason how me and Rodney met, Rodney actually called me one day. He had seen some of our videos, mine and Tom's, and he called me over this right here. Okay, he spent 8 years in here decking all this out, doing everything by hand. He liked what he seen. Matter of fact, I think the one that you called me over was that copper cutting board, real similar to that, just with the 3-stage copper. So he brought us over here. We got to looking at this, fell in love with this log cabin, and no doubt we were going to be a part of this. So this is our next banging project here with Rodney. We are going to take this temporary guy off that he's had on here for a while just to serve a purpose, to have something to set your drinks and things on, and we are going to put a one-of-a-kind, custom, gorgeous slab to really sit on this bar, take shape, overhang, and just hit you from across the room. And man, is it going to complement everything you got, all the way down to your hickory cabinets. Just phenomenal, just phenomenal. So we're excited. We can't wait. No doubt. This has been a great journey with you. We're proud to do this with you. Don't forget about that piece right there. Make sure to oil him tomorrow about 2 o'clock or so. You'll be good to go.
I'll be out here.
Just like we showed you, and man, you got a gorgeous piece there for the road.
And it falls right into the cabinets. Look at that.
It sure does.
It's unreal.
It sure does. So one more quick thing for you. We'll bring you right back. Don't go nowhere. All right, y'all. So we're back. Rodney's grand tour, you know, and like this man just said before we started rolling the film, you know, more family just came into the home.
Yes.
You're part family now. You know, this has been a great experience for me and Tom through the whole process. So we can't wait to see what you actually do and build in the future. You're gonna let us come out here, do this slab. We got that to look forward to, man. Right. So we're excited. You really touched our hearts, you know, in a big way, and we know we did in return. So,
you saw that,
man. We all see that, brother. That's good. So we're very happy people today. This has been a great day, a blessed day for everybody, and just as easy as Rodney now has the correct information moving forward, he's able to make things for people he loves. You can do the same thing, no doubt. Me and Tom tell you this time and time again. All you got to do is watch the videos, and you can do this yourself. So that's what it's all about. Karen, Sharon.
Right, my new boys here.
Paying it forward. Look at that. Right. So until the next one, thanks everybody for tuning in.
Thank you.
And we'll see you all back for the next one.
Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hell yeah.
Oh, that is awesome. You did such a fabulous job. Thank you so very much.
Look at it.